Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. With 137,445 miles, this silver, 2001 Ford Taurus equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Contact Noble Ford Mercury Indianola directly at 888-706-6410. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.